What is a coral, and where does it come from? Corals are born in a number of different ways, but most often by mass spawning. All of the individuals of a single species on one night a year releasing all the eggs they've made that year into the water column, packaged into bundles with sperm cells. And those bundles go to the surface of the ocean and break apart. And hopefully, at the surface of the ocean, they meet the eggs and sperm from other corals. Here's a female on the left with some eggs in her tissue about to release them into the seawater. And here's a male on the right releasing sperm. When they're fertilized, they do what any other animal egg does. It divides in half again and again and again. At the end of all this cell division, they turn into a swimming larva, a little tiny blob of fat the size of a poppy seed, but with all of the sensory systems that we have. They can sense color and light. They can even feel pressure waves. They can hear sound. And they use those talents to search the bottom of the reef for a place to attach and live the rest of their lives. So imagine finding a place where you would live the rest of your life when you were just 2 days old. They attach in the place they find most suitable. They build a skeleton underneath themselves. They build a mouth and tentacles. And then they begin the difficult work of building the world's coral reefs. One coral polyp will divide itself again and again and again, leaving a limestone skeleton underneath itself and growing up toward the sun. Given hundreds of years and many species, what you get is a massive limestone structure that can be seen from space in many cases, covered by a thin skin of these hard-working animals. Coral reefs are artists. The structures that they build are some of the most beautiful things on planet Earth.